Everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Huawei FreeBuds 3. So these are active noise canceling true wireless headphones. So that's the box. We like how it has a magnetic closure right there. I will pop these out of here. There we go. I'll show you those in a second. Going further inside the box, you have the charging cable and some documentation. Pretty standard stuff for the documentation, just like a warranty document and what have you. Some information on how to use the headphones. And then in the charging area, this is a USB-C charging device, and the case is also wirelessly charging, so that's cool. Here is a USB-C charging cable right there. And now we'll get to the exciting part, which are the headphones itself. It has a nice little Huawei logo right there, chrome. There's the charging port and the light. So if you set this down on a wireless charger, it'll charge. There are the headphones right there. And these have very strong magnets in here. So there's the one headphone. They call these Dolphin Bionic. It has a set button right here to connect to your phone or device. So it has a chrome bottom where it connects for charging. Actually, the charging ports are right there, right underneath. Gives you a nice design. It says right ear, left ear. And I've already tried the noise canceling on these headphones, and it is fantastic. They say it can reduce up to 15 decibels of surrounding noise. So here's the charging case. Comes with a wirelessly charging case and wired as well, USB Type-C. These are the FreeBuds 3 from Huawei. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate those positive comments.